Paul Smith edition comes in exclusive colors. We have three colors. This is the statement gray. We also have the inspired white and the midnight black. All very cool colors. We have the fantastic Nottingham green on the mirror caps, the roof, the grille frame, Paul Smith signature stripes. It is exactly how we envisioned this with Paul. Kind of just a small label, not a big statement, very subtle, very sophisticated. Also the rear, very exciting. The black blue on the bottom again. This is the first thing when you enter the car. You have a very cool Paul Smith signature striping on the steering wheel band. We have the Veskin Nightshade Blue seat cover with the Paul Smith signature logo. And obviously you also have a custom user interface background. For example, a very cool dark green fitting to the roof. The one thing I love the most is the door sill. Every day is a new beginning. Already when you enter the car, you should do that with a big smile on your face.